So hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I'm enjoying my day today, and also I'm taking classes. You can see that is related to communication and confidence building. And here is my one student. I am taking classes and I'm also giving water to plants. And here you can see I fill my bucket with water, and now I'm going to giving water to plants, because guys, uh, water is very important for plants, and that is really great. And also I'm enjoying my weather. You can see the weather and greenery too much. How I'm looking, guys, I don't know how I'm looking. So that is also a vlog, looking like a vlog kind of a video. And I am taking classes here. Here is my student. Hello Manish, say hi. How are you? How are you Manish? Speak loudly.
I am fine.
I am fine. Okay, speak with confidently यार. मतलब ऐसा बोलो कि सामने वाला सोचे कि तुमने कुछ बोला है. That is also mandatory. And if you really focusing on your communication, so focus on your more and more on communication and connection, and try to speak with clarity, and try to speak full of confidently. That is very important, guys. And love the nature, likewise me, watering the plants and hear the plants, and enjoy your journey, improve every day, learn every day. That is also mandatory, and to work every day. So working is more important, and making money is very important, because if you really want to living a life good life, then money is very important. So try to focus on making money, and try to focus, enjoy the weather, enjoy the moment, and try to focus to improve your communication skill, and make a good habits with peoples, and try to connect every day with strangers, with beginners, because we want to improve this communication skill. Okay, so so that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.